Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with USB flash drive where it is showing no media, and in this PC also it is not able to open. So let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. So here is my drive G which is giving me the error of no media. In order to fix the issue, in the basic step, go ahead and change the drive letter of your drive. To do so, right click on start menu and choose the option disk management. Now right click on your drive and choose the option change drive letter or path. Now here click on the option change, and then you need to assign a letter other than the drive, and I suggest you to choose a letter Z. Hit the OK button. Now click on the yes button to continue. Once the letter is changed, go ahead and recheck to fix out the issue of USB flash drive showing no media. If this failed to work out, in next step, click on start menu, type CMD, run CMD as an administrator. Now in command prompt, type few commands one by one. First one is disk part, then hit the enter key. Now type in list disk and hit the enter key again. Now all the attached disk will be shown right in front of you, and by checking the size of your USB drive, you get to know the disk number. For example, my USB disk is disk 1 with the size of 28 GB. So I'll type in select disk 1 and hit the enter key. Make sure you type in the correct number, else you may end up formatting your Windows SSD or SSD. After selecting the disk number, you need to type a command. One more thing friends, this command will format your USB drive. So if the data is really important, either do a backup of your data, or else I have a tutorial with the name recover data from formatted hard disk. Use this tutorial to recover all your data from your USB flash drive. So here type in clean and hit the enter key. Now the disk part has successfully cleaned your flash drive. So close it. Now right click on start menu and choose the option disk management. Now right click on the unallocated space and choose the option new simple volume. Proceed with the on screen instructions and then hit the finish button. Once the process is completed, go ahead, open this PC and you will be able to use your USB flash drive. If this method failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. In this step, we are going to convert your disk to either MBR or GPT. So I have a software with the name US Partition Master. Download its free version into your PC. Once downloaded, go ahead and run this software. Now hit the option install. Proceed with on-screen instructions to install the EasyUS Partition Master in your system. Once the program is installed, hit the option done and launch the program. Now right in this partition master, all the drives will be shown in front of you. Simply right click on it and choose the option advanced, and here you will find the option of check file system. Go ahead, click on it. Now the option to fix the error is already check marked. Once check marked, hit the option start. Now wait for it to finish scanning your drive, and once the drive is completely scanned, the issue of USB flash drive no media will be completely fixed out. Now if this method also doesn't work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next method, we are going to reset your USB. To do so, again I have another software with the name USB image tool. From this menu, click on the option download, scroll down and download the latest version of the USB image tool. Save it into your system. Once the tool is downloaded, open the zip folder and click on the option extract all and click on the option extract to extract all the files onto your desktop. Now here is the extracted folder. Now double click to USB image tool to run it in your PC. Click on more info and choose the option run anyway. You can see it has already found my USB drive. Simply select your USB drive and choose the option reset. Now click on the option yes. It will go ahead and reset your USB flash drive. Now after the device is reset, you can close it. Now again head over to this PC, right click on your drive and choose the option format. Select NTFS and click on the option start. Once it is formatted, double click to open it and this will fix out the issue. Now if all the method fails, the last hope you have is to take help of a chip genius. Here is the software Chip Genius. You need to download its latest version by scrolling down and clicking on this .rar file download. Right click on zip folder and choose the option WinRAR and open with WinRAR. Now extract both the files onto your desktop. Now open Chip Genius folder and run Chip Genius. Now this is the interface of the software, and as soon as you attach your USB drive, right in this menu all the USB drives will be shown right in front of you. Now from here you need to select your problematic USB drive. As my USB drive is now okay, that's why it is not showing any details right in this menu. But at your end, the drive which is corrupted, simply you need to select that particular drive, and this particular area you will find two options, chip vendor and chip part number. From here you need to note down both chip vendor as well as chip part number. Generally by default they are of first chip. So in the Google Chrome you need to type in first chip and then the chip vendor name, which is again by default is FC1178 and FC1179 MP Tools. Simply select it and hit the enter key. Click on the very first link. You need to download this software by clicking on the link. Save it into a PC. Once it is saved, right click on it and choose the option WinRAR and extract files right over here. Now open the extracted folder, right click on MP Tools and choose the option Run as Administrator. Select first one and hit the option Yes. Now here in this menu USB drive will be automatically selected and the option of 01 will be automatically changed the color to blue. Once it is changed to blue, all you need to do is to click on this option Start. As soon as you hit the Start option, it will start to repair your disk, and it will take from 30 minutes to several hours to fix out the issue. So you need to wait patiently until this software scanning and fixing your USB flash drive, which in turn help you fix out the issue of USB flash drive no media selected. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.